聊 to chat. 聊 can mean a few different things, but as it's used in this lesson, it means to chat. Quite often, we'll hear 聊 together with 天. This is because both 聊 and 聊天 can be used to mean chat. In a dialogue, Pipe tells Lily that he thought it would be nice if they could chat and better get to know one another. 聊一聊，多认识认识。You may have noticed both 聊 and 认识 were just repeated in that short phrase. This is called reduplication. It has a purpose, and we'll talk more about it with the next vocab word. 散步 to take a walk. 散 means to scatter, break up, or disperse, while 步 means step, pace, or walk. 散步 then simply means to take a walk or go for a stroll. Many times you'll hear people repeat the 散 and say 散散步. This happens a lot in Mandarin and is called reduplication. There's no big trick to it. The only thing to be aware of with reduplication is it adds something of a softening effect to what the speaker is saying. 我们出去散步吧 means let's go out for a walk. Well, 我们出去散散步吧 means the exact same, only it's a little bit more like you added a what do you say or how about it at the end. Reduplication generally makes sentences feel a little lighter and a touch more casual. 自己 oneself, by oneself. 自 means self, oneself, from or since. 己 also means self, oneself, or personal. Together, 自己 means oneself or one's own, and generally appears as a reflexive pronoun, where it refers to a person mentioned earlier in the sentence. If you want to tell someone you can do it yourself, you would say, 我可以自己来做。情侣 lovers, couple. 情 means feeling, emotion, love, or passion, while 侣 means companion or associate. If one is your companion or associate in love, then this person is your 情侣 lover, or we can also alternatively say two people are 情侣 a couple. 约会 date. Earlier in the same lesson, we already learned that 约 means make an appointment, invite, or agreement. To this now, we are adding 会, which means, among other things, assemble, meet, gather, or associate. When people 约会, they're agreeing to meet, or to put it in other words, making an appointment together. 约会, however, usually suggests that you're going out on a date with a boyfriend or girlfriend, not just a casual get-together. Thus, 我今天晚上有个约会 translates as I've got a romantic date tonight. If on the other hand, you just wish to meet or hang out with someone, then we would simply say 我跟朋友有约 I'm meeting someone, I'm meeting a friend. 温柔 gentle and soft. 温 means warm, mild, soft or tender, while 柔 means soft, flexible or supple. 温柔 is thus an adjective which, as its components suggest, means gentle, soft, or tender. If you're interested in Mandarin pop music or metal pop, 温柔 is a word you can often hear in love songs. 外表 appearance. 外 can mean quite a few things, but in the context of this lesson, it means outer or outward. 表 too can mean many things, but here it is most closely related to surface, external, show, or form. Putting them together, 外表 can be thought of as basically a person or a thing's outer form, or what most of us would think of as an outward appearance.